it's good. I know this is insane. I've literally driven it for about 10 minutes and it is one of the wildest experiences I've ever had in a car. So, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, but onwards to some B-roads in an AC Cobra tribute car. Woo! Welcome to my inside of my head of what cars should really be like. This is how you have a car sat in the garage. This is how it should be. 350 Chevy engines, 427. As a lot of people would call this. I don't call it a replica, I call it a tribute. Cars like this should be enjoyed, and if you are able to afford one, and it's not like £20 million or whatever a genuine AC Cobra is, bloody right you should. Bloody right you should have a car like this. And this is a prime example of how good they could be. I will of course leave all of the information of this car, because I'm not actually here to preach to you guys how good it is. It's not that video. This is a love letter. Top Gear shout out. This is a love letter to a car because I love cars like this. Mad, stupid, lightweight, manual monsters. 400-ish horsepower this is running, and I feel every single bit of it inside me right here, because it sounds and acts like a thoroughbred, this thing. Most nuts thing I'm ever going to drive. It is so cool. It is on another level of driving experience. From the driver's seat especially, you've got that bulged wheel arch in front of you. You've got a huge hood scoop with these lines going through into the dash as well in front of you. You have beautiful touches, like all of the windows are absolutely perfect. The blue tint to the sun visors is exquisite. The interior is a really nice place. Everything's padded, the carpet on everything is so nice, and it is actually relatively sizable. There is some good space in here. In fact, the seats are really, really comfortable as well. I could very easily drive this to pretty much anywhere I fancy. The clutch, though, I will say, as I put it to neutral, it's actually quite something else. It's not stiff, but it's definitely there. So we're going to do a first hill start. There is a handbrake. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use it. I'm a driver. I can do it. But yeah, just bring it back down a minute. What a thing to be in. What an absolute madness this thing is. In fact, if I had the money and the carriage space, I wouldn't even think twice. I genuinely would have this in a heartbeat. You have no idea. I'd happily financially cripple myself for one of these. Right, hill start. How does it feel? Not bad, not bad. I'm very used to drive older cars apparently. But yeah, just take in the looks, the experience, how this thing is, how it reacts to B-roads. The power is mad. It is so mad. 400 horsepower in something anything, but I don't mind. This is just the coolest thing I've ever driven. I've driven this year, 100% driven this year. And I want to thank you all for watching this video, putting up with my terrible noise as it's coming out of my mouth because I'm so excited about this car. And yeah, if we ever get a chance to drive one or even own one, mate, I'm all about it. Sign me up for the finance deal now on this thing. I want it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to carry on down